Friday. It is 7:25 on a Friday evening. I was laying on the couch after work and I'm probably just gonna have a chill Friday night like I usually do, but I'm gonna film what I get into this weekend. I just got this maternity tank top on Amazon, but I'm not really sure how I feel about it. Definitely need a tan for this color. I don't know how I feel about the fit of it. I don't know. Also got it in black, which I feel like it looks a little bit better on me, but I don't know. We'll see. We celebrated Mother's Day, my first Mother's Day, which was really exciting. So we had some family over and everybody decorated a little onesie. This was the group effort. My aunt made this one and this one. So cute. This one's mine. My mom made this one. One of his grandpas made this one. For my cousin. My grandma made this one. And my mom made this one. All the grandmas. Aaron, my husband, made this one. My uncle. And my mother-in-law made this one. One of the things that my mom got me for Mother's Day was this pregnancy journal. His name. And luckily I've been keeping track and journaling everything in the What to Expect app. I was able to have that to look back on because I have terrible memory. I still need to add some pictures to it, but yeah, it's really cute. This is probably what I'm gonna be getting up to this evening. I'm just so exhausted on work nights, so probably gonna just be me and this couch tonight. We'll see. We'll see. We're going on our Babymoon next week. So if I can muster up the energy tonight, I might put some outfits together just to get some ideas and figure out what I'm going to pack and everything. We will see, but if I do that, I will maybe show the outfits. For the Babymoon, we're going to... This lighting is terrible. We're going to Rosemary Beach, Florida for a few days. We'll be there from a Wednesday to Saturday. And let me just preface this by saying I will be overpacking because you just never know. The last little staycation we went on, I did not bring enough outfits, and it was like during the time where I started to not be able to fit into a lot of my pants. I was very cranky, let's just say. Okay, I think this is gonna be one of the outfits. I got these shorts from Target. They're nice and comfy. I got them in a size medium and they have a drawstring so I can kind of tighten them a little bit. And then I'm just wearing this shirt that I've had either Old Navy or Target. I've been complaining that I feel like a grandma in all of my clothes now that I'm pregnant. And then I go out and buy this grandma sweater shirt thing at Costco. I don't know, something about it just looked big and comfy. Top is from Costco, and then the pants are from Old Navy. Kind of cute, and I'll wear it with these little sandals. Maybe this bag from Marshall's. I bought these pants in a size medium. Kind of regretting that. I wish I would have gotten a small because they are pretty big and they fall down. There's no drawstring on them, but I just had them rolled up a little bit. I'm making it work. So I have a bunch of dresses that I bought before getting pregnant that still fit me, including this one. So might bring this one, very flowy, comfortable. I'll probably just wear this with my white Converse since we'll be walking around. And then the bag again. I got this one at the same time as I got the last one. Pretty much the same thing, just pink. And I forgot to mention that these are from Old Navy a little while ago. I also have this dress from Target that I really like. Again, it was one that I bought like a long time ago, but I still really like it. And I feel like this would be, you know, perfect for just walking around outside. Nice and flowy. Could probably use this bag for a lot of these outfits. And then I also have this little crossbody bag as well that I'll probably bring. If I'm feeling a little bit more casual one day, I could wear this. This top is Old Navy from a long time ago, once again, as you're probably catching that theme. And then these are maternity shorts that I just got from Target. Wear it with this bag again, and then Probably just my white Converse as well. Okay, new location because the sunlight was going down. In case we do any type of physical activity, I'll probably bring some biker shorts. These are maternity biker shorts from Target. No, these are from Amazon. And then probably just like a tank top to go with it. This is one new thing I bought for this trip. And it's just like a crocheted swimsuit cover up. I have clothes on underneath it, so picture a swimsuit underneath this. Another swimsuit cover up option could be this. Minus the t-shirt, obviously. I don't have a swimsuit yet. The shorts are from Old Navy, and then this little button down top is from Madewell a long time ago. For the drive there, I'll probably just wear something comfortable. Don't mind the mess. Can't even see it because the lighting is so bad. Just these athletic comfy pants from Old Navy, and I'll probably just wear the shirt and go belly out for the 6-hour car ride. Something comfy. Yeah, these are the pants. Kind of look like the Grinch. Anyways, that's it for now. Me and this belly are gonna go lay on the couch for the rest of the night. On Mother's Day, I got this latte from a local cafe or local coffee shop. It was caramel macchiato. No, it was a caramel macadamia nut latte with toasted marshmallow cold foam. So I made some vanilla almond syrup, and I'm gonna try to recreate that latte. It was really good. I'm gonna do mostly the almond one. And then add a little bit of caramel to this. And I'm doing a half calf just in case I want coffee again later. Cold foam, I'm gonna do a couple of tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And then half a tablespoon of the toasted marshmallow syrup. painting queen.
Painting queen?
You. I'm recording you. Everybody's put on the camera. Nani's fired from painting. Augie, look at this is your Nani and she's fired. Augie, this is your papa. He's also fired.
Please don't. I need to support my family.
This is the evidence. This is a very slow zoom.
I cannot do this stuff like this for a
As if the words were fragile. He squeezed at him. I felt as if the place in which I belonged, the only place lost forever, which would still not be enough. I brought it to my mouth and kissed.
Where's your Target haul?
I got liquid IV and sun chips.
Is that it?
I got little earwax shovels.
Shovels? I don't like that word.
It's a little shovel for earwax.
Is that really what they call it?
No. Medication.
Medication.
Cheese snack.
Cheese.
Perel. New bottle of Perel. Okay.
How would you describe my attitude while we were at the store?
Am I done?
What?
Mr. Wow, the guy in shades. Oh no. Smells good.
Oh, I wish I had some lime. It's mushy. No, the watermelon.
Huh?
The watermelon's mushy in some parts.
Do you want to see it?
It's not a good one. At least that part isn't. I don't want to do this anymore. This is all I got from that giant watermelon. It was a dud. I got a bathing suit bottom for the trip that I'm not too sure about. Target was very chaotic. I did a workout yesterday and then I was on my hands and knees in the nursery taping and I did a little bit of painting. And I feel like an old lady because I am feeling it today. My body's in pain. But anyways, I think it is time to tackle my laundry. I feel like I gotta wobble around. It just feels sore. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi.
I think I got it. This is really cute. Oh, hey. So I didn't really film a lot yesterday. I kind of forgot. But I went to a doctor's appointment. Baby is doing well. Heard the heartbeat. Aaron got to use the Doppler to find the heartbeat. That was cute. And then in 5 weeks, I have to do my glucose test. And as you saw, I picked the orange one, the flat Fanta flavor, as she said. So I'll be really interested to know if the drinks are as bad as they say. I feel like people either say it's terrible or they're not as bad as everybody says. And there's never any in between, I feel like. So I will find out in 5 weeks just how bad it really is. And then yesterday, as you saw, I unboxed the stroller. Really excited about it. It's the Thule brand, I believe. Thule. So this is what we have so far. We're probably gonna get the, well, not probably, we are gonna get the infant inlay that goes in for when he's a newborn. And then there's a an adapter for a car seat as well.
I think they're off a little bit around my finger.
I gotta do the pregnant waddle. Brownie pie taste test.
My back hurts.
Is it worth the $10? We're about to find out. Look at this thing.
Sheesh.
About to drop it.
It's got a chocolate bubble in it.
Smells good.
Needs heat.
I don't know that I would pay $10 for this again. Maybe if I warmed it up.
That's what it needs.
You gotta heat it up.
See, there you go.
That's good. I don't really like it with the crust though.
Really? You just like the center part?
I just like the brownie part. My final verdict is just make brownies. Don't buy this. Not for $10.
Of a sunset, riding a share moped in front of what I assume to be the Mediterranean.
We got all of our snacks packed and we are heading off to Florida this morning for our Babymoon. Can't forget the pregnancy pillow, right?
Oh no.
Keep on dancing till the world ends. Keep on dancing till the world ends. World ends, world ends.
Okay, where that?
Sweet home Alabama.
Roll Tide. Roll damn Tide.